Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to back up your private key using Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already added my wallet right here, in case you have not do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to back up our private key. At the top left, you can see the setting icon right here, just next to home. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, lots and lots of options, but let's not be confused. At the very top, you can see something called as wallet. Click on it. Do you know that you can add multiple wallets from right here as well? You simply need to click on this plus icon. Right here, I want to back up my private key for this wallet, that is Greg Wallet. So, let's click on these three buttons associated with it. Once you click on it, this thing will open up. From here, what you guys can do to simply back up your private key is either back up using your Google Drive or do it manually. In case you choose Google Drive, it's gonna ask you in which account you want to save your private key or simply your secret phrase. Or in case you want to save your secret phrases manually, simply click on manual and save the phrases that will be provided to you. And guys, that is it. That's how you back up your private key or simply your secret phrase using Trust Wallet. I hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.